Hey guys, welcome to Happy Hunting. This is my Metal Detecting Adventures YouTube channel, and today I have some surprises. As you might know, I was trying to find a good way to record my metal detecting adventures, and my solution at hand was to use this GoPro Hero 3 Plus and a chest strap. I shot a lot of footage over the last week that I have not put up on YouTube, and while I was editing it, I noticed that I had a blurry spot in the middle of my videos. Upon closer inspection of my camera, I noticed that I had some scratches on the lens. Normally, I'm really careful with my optics and treat my electronics very well, but this was not the case. It turns out that replacing this lens is not cheap and easy thing to do. And that's where the surprise comes in. So I went out and got these. Wah! I went out and bought a GoPro Hero 6 Black, and this guy I think will do a better job at recording. I was looking at other people's videos on YouTube, and I noticed videos shot with this camera had some real pop. This guy should be able to do 4K at 60 Hertz, and it also does 1080p at 240. So I might be able to do some things with slow motion effects as well. I also listened to people's comments on my last videos, and they said, hey, try a head strap. So I also bought one of those to see what we could do. And then finally, I bought this handlebar pole mount. And thinking there's maybe, even though this camera isn't of the best quality, maybe I can mount it on the metal detector shaft itself and use that to have an inset video that shows the metal detector settings and what it's reading out on the display. So I have some ideas that I want to try, and I think that'll be really cool. My last gadget for the day was something I already have that I think would be cool to try out. This is a Samsung Gear camera. If you haven't seen one of these, this is a video camera that shoots in 360 degrees. So you can watch a 360 degree video on YouTube using a virtual reality headset, or you can use your mouse just to pan around. That way you can look around whatever location that I'm filming at. I don't know how practical that will be and how cool it will be, but I'd like to try it out. I just want to experiment with some different things and really try to capture the fun, I believe, of metal detecting. So anyway, I'm a new YouTube channel and I'm trying out some new things, and I hope you'll come along for the ride. So give me a thumbs up on my video, and again, I appreciate any comments that you may have. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you love these videos and want to see some more, give me a subscription. I'd really appreciate that. Anyway, happy hunting and nothing but gold bars and diamond rings. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.